And hi everybody from YouTube. In this video I'm gonna show you how to reset your Sony Wf-Xb700. So check it out. So the first step to reset your Sony Xb700, you have to take it out from the case. So after you take it out from the case, you need to press the button, the button that is in the left side first for 20 seconds, as you will see now, until the red light flashes, and then turn it off. You will see how is the process. I'm pressing the button down and you will see when the red light comes. So after the red light stop, you're gonna take the second headphone, in this case the right one, and are going to repeat the same process. Press the button for at least 20 seconds when the red light flashes, and then turn it off. Let's see. So after that, all you have to do is to put inside again the headphones on the on the case, close it, open again, and then take out, and then connect it again to your iPhone, your Android device, your iPad, your PC, and the process has ended.